Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our live. This is our semi-final game between the Murray School versus our very own Sabre School, the 2015 under division. Hey! Oh, what's up? Xavier. Xavier, syempre. Shout out. Boss Ma.
Uulan, nandito siya.
Uulan daw, di
Rep, uulan. Uulan. Nandito to eh.
Umaga hindi naman hapon, di ba, Rep?
Nandito
Umaga.
to, uulan.
Di wow.
Oh, pustahan tayo, uulan ngayong araw. Andito to eh. Pag nandito to, umuulan.
Ano laban mo sa akin?
Semis din. Dapat ngayon.
Oo.
Dok. Yo, what's up? Good luck.
Rep, alam mo na.
Ako, makalimutin mo naman ko.
May live din tayo ha.
Thank you, Rep. Ball. First ball, makuha ng Morris. Oh, that's a travel. Oh, first pass.
Nasa linya, bro.
Basket for Morris. Pass to Torres. Torres for 3. No good. Rebound ng Morris. Oopsie, that's a foul. Jersey number 9, basket. Andres, pass to Enzo. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound ng Morris. Let's go defense. Number 15, wala. Pa rin ang number ng Morris. Get the shot. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Bad shot. Miss. Rebound by Steven. To Marchand. Mateo. Andres attacking the basket and one for Andres.
Ay, kabila po.
That's Andres Poblador. One shot for Andres. Miss. Rebound na ang Morris. Good. Block by Pope Torres. Out of bounds. Same ball. Good defense for Pope. Number 15 for 3. Wala. Another rebound for Morris. Number 15. Good defense by Enzo. Out of bounds. Sabre School basketball. Pope looking for his teammate. Pass to Andres. Back to Torres. Torres to Mateo. Marchand. Basket is good. Rep, paano ka rep? Number 15 to number 9. Drop pass, block by Andres. Out of bounds, same ball. Time out. Morris. Official score is 4-3. Change favor tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. Time remaining 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Back to the ball game. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Stephen. Pass to Andres. Andres setting on the play. Pass to Pope. Back to Andres. To Mateo. Back to Pope. Fake. Pope for the jump shot. Basket is good for Pope Torres. Oh, ayan na, nagagawan. Makakuha rito. Naka-recover ang Morris. Number 15. Sidestep using the glass. And score. Sa isa ang ating nalamangan. 6-5. Let's go. Andres. Oh, nice pass. Enzo Yao gets the foul. 2 shots for Enzo. First shot, wala. Time remaining 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Second shot for Enzo. Let's go, Enzo. Enzo, miss. One more try. Basket for Enzo, yeah. Pass steal by Enzo. Andres to Enzo, back to Poblador. Poblador running shot and score. Let's go. Nasa corner, gets the shot, miss. Rebound by number 9. Tumira, wala. Rebound, number 24. Wala pa rin. Good defense. To our savior. Take a shot, miss. Rebound by Stephen Legarda. Enzo to Pope. Back to Andres. Andres Pass to Pope. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Time remaining 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Number 15. Running shot, too strong. Rebound by Enzo. Yao. Back to Torres. Pass to Poblador. Pass to Mateo. Merchant. Pass to Poblador to Pope for 3. Short. Rebound. Makuha ng Maris. Number 15. Outlet pass. All the way. Basket. 9-7. Andres, pass to Mateo. From the corner. Basket is good for Enzo. Yao. 11-7. Oh, correction, that's a 3-point for Enzo. 12-7. Sa gitna, number 9. Miss. Rebound by Enzo. Yao. May tanga na bola. Pass to Andres. Oh, bad pass. Steal. Makaka-recover. Here comes number 15. Nabitawan. Finding the loose ball. Pope. And that's a jump ball. Time out. Xavier. Time remaining 1 minute and 13 seconds on our game clock. 12-7. Ha? Back to the ball game. Let's go, Xavier. Pinasok na rin para sa ating team si Liao and Zach Cheng. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Cheng. Pass to Mateo. Back to Mateo. It gets the traveling. Nabago po ulit. 11-7 daw po ang ating official score. According sa ating official. Ayun na ang Maris. Last 55 seconds. Number 15. Pass number 9. Oopsie. Gets a foul. Last 49 seconds. Substitution. Enzo coming in for Liao. Oh, sorry, that's Mateo. Nasa corner. Get the shot. Too strong. Rebound. Makuha ni Torres. Torres, Lidiscarte. Torres to Zach. Pass to Torres. Torres, umatake. Using the glass. What a nice move for Torres. 13-7. Ayan na ang Maris. Nagmamadali. Running shot. And one. By jersey number 15. Time remaining, last 17.5 seconds. Bonus shot para jersey number 15. Wala. Let's go. Out of bound. Last touch. Same ball. Wala lang Marius. Last 14 seconds. Pinas sa corner. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Nagagawan. Makakuha. Dito ang ating Xavier. Castellao. What a save. Pinigay. Napalakas. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first period. Official score is 13-9 in favor of our Xavier School. Tayo dadawa na po sa second period. Sa mga kakatunin lamang po, this is our semi-final game for this season ng ating 2015 division. Good luck, Xavier. Yan natin ni Coach Howie. Sige na po. No worries. Okay, back to the ball game. We're going to the second period. 13-9. 4-point lead to our Xavier. Number 15, pass to number 9. Get the shot in and out. Rebound by Torres. Torres, outlet pass, too strong. Kailangan defense. Let's go. Bola rito ng Maris. Pass number 15. Binigay sa corner. Take a shot. Miss. Rebound by Torres. Torres. Didiskarte. Naitawid. Seryo on the play. Back to Cheng. To Torres. Torres. Umatake. Gets the foul. That is first team foul for Maris. Cheng. Pass to Poop. No good. Good defense by Cheng. Ayan na, whole defense. Number 15, umatake, too strong, rebound by Stephen. Steal by number 15 to number 9 and score. Oh, nakakahabol na ang Maris. 2-point lead to our Xavier. Cheng, pass to Torres. Nagay sa corner, 4-3. Miss, rebound by Garda. Pass to Sese, miss. Asordas Leao. Nagagawan, makakuha ng Maris. Number 30. Pass number 15. Side step. Pinigay. Oh, there's a foul by Enzo. Two shots for jersey number 9. Missed the shot. Shot. Oopsie. It's a violation. Wala rito ang ating Xavier. 7 minutes and 56 seconds. Andres. Pass to Liao. Back to Poblador. Poblador, binigay. Enzo, 4-3. No good. Poblador gets the foul. Same ball tayo. Poblador looking for his teammate. Pinasa sa corner. Liao, catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Or Liao, Evan. Number 9, outlet pass. Number 15, nabitawan. Steal by Texton. Out of bound. Mga dito na ating savior. Torres. Pass to Andres. Pass to Pope. Pinagay sa corner. Liao. No good. Rebound by number 9. Go na. Itawid ng Maris. Number 15. Umatakit. Na ipasok ng number 9. Balik sa dalawang lamang nating savior. Idol, Andres to Torres. Back to Pope. Torres, binigay sa corner. 4-3. Yes! Para sa Torres. By Evan Liao. Ayan na ang double team. Pass number 9. Pass number 30. Wala ball movement. Number 15. High pick up. Matake gets the foul. That's pushing foul. First shot is good. Second shot mula. Rebound by Texton. Pass to Enzo. Enzo, matake. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng Maris. Out that pass. Number 9. Nagmamadali all the way. Bumasa isang lamang. Let's go. Andres. Oh, another traveling violation. Mateo Merchan. Number 9 gets the foul. Shots by jersey number 9. Abla tayo sa 17. Second shot is good. Change favor. Lamang ng Maris. Andres to Torres. Fake. Torres. Binigay. Liao. Pass to Andres. Binigay sa corner. Torres. 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Maris. Out that pass. Spin. Using the board. Wala. At nagagawa tayo dito. That's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Xavier. Time out, Xavier. Time remaining, last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes tayo sa first half. Andres, pass to Torres, back to Andres. Andres, nasa corner. Opya. Andres, 4-3, in and out, rebound. Steal by Liao. Liao, atake. Liao, sidestep, nabitawan, last touch, same ball. Pass to Liao. Hand off. Poblador from the corner. Miss. Rebound by Torres. Fake. Bounce pass. Stephen gets the foul. 2 shots for Stephen Legarda. Shoutout po sa Sir Benito Legarda. Time remaining 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Second shot for Stephen Legarda. Oh, one more try. Let's go, Stephen! Shot for Stephen, miss. Rebound ng Morris. Number 15. Pass number 9. Running shot, too strong. Out of bound. Xavier School basketball. Andres setting on the play. Pass to Mateo. To Torres. Back to Mateo. And one. What a nice give and go play for Xavier. Plus a foul for Mateo Merchant in the free throw area for a 3-point play. Balik ang kalamangan sa ating Xavier. 19-18. Merchant basket. 20-18. Let's go. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Pass number 15. Drop pass to number 5. Miss. Rebound. Out of bound. Morris basketball. Timeout, Morris. Time remaining 1 minute and 36 seconds. 20-18, 2-point lead to our Xavier. Back to the ball game. Number 30, catch and shoot, miss. Pass number 15, umatake. Block from Poblador. Pinasa sa corner, 4-3, miss. Out of bound. Number 15, umatake, wala. Rebound by Enzo. To number 9. Wala pa rin. Oopsie. The foul. Remaining time, last 51 seconds. First shot, no good. Nasa corner, Enzo. Pass to Pope, Torres, running shot, and 1. For Pope, Torres. Remaining time, last 34 seconds. One shot, no good. Rebound by Torres. Torres, umatake. Basket is good. Back-to-back basket for Pope. Torres get their own miss. Number 30, last 22 seconds. Ayan ang Maris, up and under, in and out. Rebound ng Maris, get the foul. Two shots for jersey number 14. Wala. Para kay jersey number 14. Number 4, basket. Last 13 seconds. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, Enzo! Miss! Tira! Tira! Oy! And that's the end of our first half. Official score, 24-20 in favor of our Xavier School. Magbabalik tayo para sa second half.